Can I put a brighter light in my over-the-range microwave? The stovetop is not lit enough to be useful. Model JVM 195F1S.
What's the microwave's make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
GE. Installed 6/2015 model JVM 195F1S.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. Just wasn't to see what I am cooking on the range top.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. You cannot put in a higher wattage bulb. You can change the bulb to an LED bulb that is a whiter, brighter light. I'm not showing the number of JVM 195F1S as a God GE model number. Are you getting the number right off the microwave?
Sorry. My typo. JVM 7195F1S, I missed the 7.
And have you removed the light lens covers and cleaned them recently? And here are bulbs that are 4000K https://www.amazon.com/natural daylight replacement under counter microwave /dp/b01/8svu/ref equals SR_1_12 E=UTF-8 and CAD =15154478885 and SR equals 8 to 12 and keywords equals 20 plus watt plus LED plus light plus bulbs.
I did clean the covers, but I have lost some of the vision in my right eye. It used to be okay with the factory bulbs, but now I struggle. Thanks for the link.
No problem, I just changed my microwave to LEDs and it makes a big difference. Glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.